Hello guys, welcome back to the Service Portal Basic series. You're watching the second session of this series. So in this session we'll talk about widgets. We'll continue our work. We'll add widgets to this page. We'll create a custom footer widget. We'll clone an existing widget. Then we'll create one model widget as well. So there's a lot to learn. Widgets is an important topic. So let's get started. Okay. So first thing first, what is a widget? Widget displays contents on pages, perform one function usually. It's a reusable component that can be, configured to present data to users, perform certain action or access a service. Same widget can be added multiple times on a page. Every time different configuration is used. Okay, so before moving to development, I want to showcase one widget. This document, it's a widget library. Widgets included with service portal can be customized to suit your needs as a basic code sample for you refer as you're building your own widgets. Okay, so it's a widget library that ServiceNow provides. It's around more than 140, I guess. So before building any widgets, if you have any requirement of building a widget, just check if any of these can help you get started. Okay, so after that, let's move on to widget instances. What are they basically? Widget instance is a individual use of a widget. Okay, so when we drop a widget, like I showed you in the last video, when we drop a widget on a page, it widget record is created. Widget instance record is created. It contains the properties of widget's individual use, like page ID, location, CSS if we have put. Okay, so let's go to our page. Let's start configuring this. Okay, so if you remember, we thought of pasting home page search widget over here. Okay, let's first see what is a home page search widget is. It locate a specific word or phrase in the service portal. It automatically searches the portal as you type. Okay, so it uses the knowledge bases and catalogs related list like we configured there, right? If you remember, we had one knowledge base and two catalogs in the portal record to specify the repositories to include the search result. Standard platform security features, ensure that each user can only access the information which they are entitled to. Okay, so let's modify this homepage search widget a bit. Okay, so to modify, make sure your widget is selected, go to its properties. Let's put some title. How can we help? A standard one, and let it be a I'm just putting the title, the keywords to be searched. Okay, so let's see how it is looking in different page. We'll check in different page. It is looking fine. So now let's add these. I thought of adding HTML widgets to this thing. Okay, so let's first understand what are HTML widgets. HTML widgets basically are, use the, I'll show you that will make more sense. HTML, let me drop that. I'm just dropping HTML widget and I'll show you what I'm trying to say. Let me just drop this. So just open. So it uses the rich text editor interface to add text, bullet links, images, whatever you want to like. So you can directly work with the source HTML code over here. Okay. If you don't know, this rich text editor is the interface for editing rich text within the web browsers. It presents service portal designers with what you see is what you get editing here. Okay, so let's hover, align text, align center, just normal text editor. Okay, so what I have done for you is I have uploaded the images, some 7-8 images for the HTML thing, and have written their HTML code as well. So I'll share this code with you in the description section. Okay, so just to, in the interest of time, let me show you. It's just that I'll just put on each and every code. Okay, just bear with me. These HTML widgets, provide certain very useful utilities. I mean, you can see within no time we are moving quite good. So we are going quite fast as well. And point is, this lab is completely from the training material that ServiceNow provides. So I have modified it a bit to suit the needs of this Triffin, our demos. Rest, these things all are from that training material guide only. So in case you haven't seen service portal training manual, it's something like this only. Okay, so we are getting very close to. Arey yaar, sorry, my bad. One thing I should say, I mean, ServiceNow has created very good technical manual for service portal. I read that. Before that, even I used to fear from service portal kind of things. So yeah, it's really good. Let's refresh and see how it is going. Now our portal is started looking nice. Ideally, it should be, this space should be removed. We'll see how to remove that. Which one should we add first? Approval or Okay, let's move for the approval. Approval widget allows user to approve. So I'm just putting it. Okay, so we are conferring its widget instance options. Hold on. That's fine. That's fine. Approval is fine. And now let's put one simple list widget. It's a very good utility. It's provide dynamic list of records. Okay, so we can customize it. I'll show you how to customize it. Let me just go over here. Take it, man. Open it up. This happens, man. This happens. So I guess I need to reload it. If you don't give me this way, I'll go this way. Let's put for task table. I mean, I want to show all of those. So one quick tip, when you're selecting table and you know the table name, so it's better to use this. It will take you directly to that table. I want to display numbers field by incident, and yes, I want some secondary fields. Let it be short description and open that. Okay, link page, link to this page, take me to the form page. I want to see the form of it. Now what's next? Show show you an empty. At least I'll get something to see. And so this doesn't show us all the options, so in case you want to see all the options, I'll tell you how to see that. I want to modify this text, so open in platform, just make sure you have the correct view. You select the default view, you will see much more options. Okay, just bringing order field over here to some use case. Okay, so let's update this as my task, order as maybe 100, and let's filter B. I want to show all active task and task assigned to me is dynamic me, and let's update this. So you need to close this browser. Actually, you should close this browser so that if you press save on any of the other options, I mean, I'll show you. If I press save over here, it will take this configuration and the changes would be rolled back. Okay, So let me just go over here, page. I have to reopen, no worries. Portal is correct. I have to modify this. Yeah, I remember that. I'll modify it. No worries. Okay, so let's see how it is looking now. It is looking fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. I just need to put some space over here as well. Okay, we'll do that as well. Fine then. Now let's put new sticker. You will learn the names of these widgets as you practice. Okay, so we want to see all the options. Open in platform, give us the default view, and let's title be company news table. Let it be knowledge, if I remember correctly. Then all articles that active is true, and topic is news. Date, close this one. Let's go to different index. Are we getting any reports? True. I guess we have missed something over here. Okay, let's try this. It is, see, display field is this with a very short description. Sometimes it happens, but see the power of service portal, ServiceNow, the way it has been customized. I have been a web developer and these things are a real pain in. So now it's look good. This side is also looking empty, so let's place something here as well. So connect, let's put this one over here, connect support. It's a very good widget. Okay, so it's a chat kind of thing. I'll show you. Let me just fill this one. Customer service and message, let it be chat with Tiffin help desk. Save. So I'll show you what it is. So it will open a chat window for you. You can chat with the help desk guys directly, and the chat would be assigned to the person who couldn't find the queue. I don't have that user configured. Jesus, I don't have that group configured. I have to configure that, but that's fine. Okay, so should I queue name? I mean, it will work. Let's move forward. We'll see. This is something I don't have that assignment group. That's why it's giving that error. So we can configure it. There's no problem in that. And now let's open that. Fix that spacing thing. Oof. Dev 92976 slash sp underscore config page editor. Let me load reference index. Okay, so what is expected from us? Let's select this. We'll modify some CSS. We have to write some CSS, so it will remove the white space between the header and the container one. Section dot page name dot body let's type padding hyphen top colon 10 px 10 or 0. You want 0, right? 0 px. It's not important. Put a semicolon. h3 also. Let's type its color colon hashtag some random. Okay, semicolon, then dot padding top underscore 20. It's something custom I'm creating. Okay, so basically to provide a padding of 20 pixel. We'll save this. And see, I've created this. I'll call this in just the things. Let me just copy it. Okay. Okay, so it's and just put on this save. Same over here. Now it should look nice. Okay, so what we were planning to remove this thing and a bit space over here, and this white space should be removed. Ta-da! It is looking nice. Yeah, it's looking nice. Can't believe we have done this. Okay guys, so it's looking fine for us. Let's stop this and let's move on to our next thing. Okay, so this ends up with our page designing. We'll return to it as well again, but for the time being, let's move forward.